So the first thing that you're going to want to do is pause this video. Then you're going to want to exit full screen if you are already in full screen. Then go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe as a favor to me. Then go ahead and right click on this link, press copy link address, then go to your bookmarks. So go ahead and bookmark the page. It can be any page. Press more. Then type in whatever you want the bookmark to be called. So you might want to call it create new document, as I'm typing in here. Then go ahead and highlight this, or whatever link it was, and delete it. Or you can just paste right over it as I did. Then when you open a new tab, oh, there it is. Let's try clicking on it. As you can see, it made a new document. Nice. Let's try that one more time to make sure it works. Yep. Alright. Once again, I'd appreciate it if you could leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already.